Amazing Grace is a beautiful tune. Come spring, will you sing for me in June? I want you to be there when the church choir sings. I want you to be there when those wedding bells ring. Baby's born in June in my name. In times of trouble and pain, let that spirit caress a tender heart. Teach her love right from the start. May this love in peace ever reign. May this love grow healthy and sane, on steady feet to a higher ground, to a state of grace when no dogs come around. I want you to be there when those wedding bells ring. I want you to be there when those wedding bells ring. I want you to be there when those wedding bells ring. I want you to be there when those wedding bells ring.